Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope so you all are fine and very good. Good. Now ask me, what about you, man? Yes, I am also fine. Thank you so much. Now tell me, which period is going on? This is English period. This is math period. No. Tell me, which period is going on? Say loudly, EVS period is going on. Say loudly, EVS period is going on. Okay? In our previous lecture, we already learned about the safety rules. We read new words also. Today we will write question and answer in the chapter number 6. So everyone, please take out your book. This is your EVS book. Take out this book. Take out this page number 3636. We will do exercise. Hurry up. Write down CW and today's date. Chapter 6. Safety rules. Safety rules. Okay. Take out this page number 3636. Start your writing work with me. Now we will solve question number 1. Question 1. Take the correct answer. Question A. Answer. Now see, number 1. What does red traffic light say? Question mark. What does red traffic light say? And the option is A. Go. B. Wait. And the C is stop. What does red traffic light say? Now tell me which is the correct option. Say the option. First is go, B is wait, and C is stop. Now tell me which is the correct option. It is C, stop. Very good. Stop means रुकना. Red light क्या कहता है हमें? आपको रुकना है. Okay. So this is the correct option. Put the tick here. Okay, have you completed? Now next, number 2. We should stand in a queue at the we should stand in a queue at the where we should stand in a queue. Option is A. Platform. Option B. Bus stop. Option C. Playground. Now see the question. We should stand in a queue at the. हमें खड़े रहना है लाइन में. कहाँ पे? First is platform, second is bus stop and third is playground. कहाँ पे हमें क्यों बना के खड़े रहना है? Where we should stand? Bus stop. Very good. This is the correct option. Put the tick here. Have you completed? Hurry up. You just put there. No need to write anything. Hurry up. Now I am going to rub this. Now see the question number 3. Number 3. What we should not take on our own. Question. What we should not take on our own. It means हमें खुद से क्या नहीं लेना है. And the option is A. Medicine. B is fruit. And C is vegetable. We should not take on our own fruits, vegetable or medicine. Tell me which is the correct option. It is A. Medicine. We should not take on our own medicine. Okay? हमें खुद से कोई भी दवाई नहीं लेना है, कोई भी टेबलेट नहीं खाना है. This is the correct option. Have you completed? Hurry up. Hurry up everyone. Now I am going to rub this. Now see the question number B. Question B. Write true or false. Write true or false. Number 1. We should play on the road. We should play on the road or we should play on the playground. Where we should play? It is true or false? Yes, very good. It is false. So write down the answer. False. F-A-L-S-E. False. Have you completed? Good. Now next, number 2. Right here. We should make noise in the class. We should make noise in the class. It is true or false? जब क्लास में कोई नहीं होता है तो हमें शोर शराबा करना चाहिए, जोर जोर से चिल्लाना है, शाउटिंग करना है. No, it is false. Very good. Write down the answer. False. Completed? Number 3. We should not travel on the footboard. We should not travel on the footboard. जो बस में फुटबोर्ड होता है, हमें वहां पर जाके चढ़ के ट्रैवलिंग करना है क्या? No, it is true. So write down the answer. True. Write down the answer. True. Now next, number 4. Right here. We should play in a park. It is true or false? Where we should play? We should play in a park. Very good. So write down the answer. True. True. Next, number 5. We should not in the class. We should not throw anything in the class. It is true or false? Yes, it is true. So write down the answer. True. Hurry up. I will give you 1 minute. Write down fast. Okay, have you completed? Now I am going to rub this. If you want, you take a screenshot. Good. Now see the next question. Question number C. C. Write save or unsafe. For the following. Now see this question. See, write safe or unsafe for the following. What do? You have to write here. First see this sentence, read this sentence and write here safe or unsafe. Okay? So see, number 1, making a cube. At the bus stop. Bus stop. Making a queue at the bus stop. It is safe or unsafe for us? Very good. It is safe. So write down the answer. S-A-F-E, safe. Next, number 2. Playing with sharp things. Now tell me, we are playing with sharp things. It is safe or unsafe? Good, it is unsafe. So write down the answer. Unsafe. Good. Now next, number 3. walking on the road. We should walk on the road. No, it is unsafe. So write down the answer. हमें रोड पे चलना है क्या? No, it is unsafe. So write down the answer. Unsafe. Next, number 4. Taking medicines on your own. Taking medicines on your own. आपको खुद से ही मेडिसिन लेना है क्या? No, it is unsafe. So write down the answer. unsafe. Unsafe. Hurry up. Number 5. Playing with matchbox matchboxes. मैच स्टिक्स लेके हमें खेलना है क्या मैच बॉक्सेस से? नो, इट इज अनसेफ. सो राइट डाउन द आंसर. SAFE. Unsafe. Write down the answer. I will give you 1 minute. Hurry up. Hurry up everyone. Have you completed? Okay. Now see, this is the next question. This is D. Question number D. Cross the things should not use. Cross the things should not use. It means जो things आप use नहीं करते हैं उस पर आपको क्या करना है? Cross करना है. So this is your homework. आपको क्या करना है? See this. आप ये पिक्चर्स देखेंगे, इसमें जो बच्चे यूज नहीं करते हैं, क्रॉस द थिंग्स शुड नॉट यूज, हम लोग यूज नहीं करते हैं, उस पर आपको क्रॉस करना है. ओके, सो दिस इज योर होमवर्क. यू हैव टू कंप्लीट इन दिस बुक. ये जो होमवर्क है ये आपको इस बुक में कंप्लीट करना है. ओके, टिक लगाई हुई है यहाँ पे, आप देख सकते हैं. सीजर आप लोग यूज करते हैं क्या? नो. तो इस पे क्या करना है? क्रॉस. बॉल है, बैट है, आप लोग यूज करते हो. फिर नाइफ आप लोग यूज करते हो? नो. तो इस पे भी क्रॉस लगाना है. नेक्स्ट, टेडी आप यूज करते हो. बलून यूज करते हो. टूल यूज करते हैं? नो. इस पे भी क्रॉस करना है. और लास्ट में है ब्लेड। ब्लेड आप लोग यूज करते हो? नो, तो इस पर भी क्या करना है? क्रॉस लगाना है। ओके, सो दिस इज योर होमवर्क एंड दिस क्वेश्चन वी विल कंप्लीट इन आवर नेक्स्ट लेक्चर। ओके एवरीवन, bye bye, see you tomorrow, please take care of yourself, bye everyone, enjoy your day.